we are at the rubbish dump. Here we go to the alarm. Right, here we go to the alarm. Here we go. It's not set yet. That was quick. That was quick. Right, look, there's some other features. Push F key at the same time. Listen, let you know some other features. We can like change the colour. Here's some other features. F key. That's visitor chime. Push it again. That turns it off. F then the 3-digit. That's where you want to change your code. Then you put any digits in, your 3 digits. This is so silly, this alarm. This makes me laugh. Now it's done. Here's the motion detector. I'll let you know at night. Here we go to the place. Look, here's like an air fan. There's one side for the air fan. Look, there's all the airs. Look, because you know how to get in here. Like these, like little codes. These are like alarms. What were you doing, the alarm? There's a rubbish bins. These are dirty. Look. Ah! Ah! If you want to change your like digits, if you want, 15 seconds. Do it again, and you want that. If you want, it's how long you want the alarm to go off. I choose 60 seconds. Look, there's where the siren comes out. Because there's the sensor. Sensor. Like, if you're pushing F and key at the same time, look. That's to notify. This is to notify lots of burglars. This is very noisy, remember? See, it takes a very long time. Important. Don't put ear next to here. Do not put this little thing next to your ear when it's siren. So you can do a lot of hearing damage. So, look, they're like all different digits. So figure out what alarm mode you want. Right. Visit us at my KF7 alarm or burglar alarms going off. That's